Hi, everyone, and thank you for joining us. I'm Kara Sundlin. We begin this noon hour with the latest on the coronavirus in our state. Exactly 1 year ago today, the first doses of the coronavirus vaccine were administered in Connecticut and across the country. This morning, doctors from Hartford HealthCare reflected on the progress that has been made in the last year. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Aya Galal is live now in our newsroom with more on that. Aya?
Good afternoon, Kara. And in the year since, Hartford HealthCare has administered more than 500,000 doses of the vaccine. Doctors recognize we've certainly come a long way, but we're not out of the woods just yet. 12 months ago today, Connecticut received its first shipment of the COVID vaccine at Hartford Hospital. Based off the latest numbers from the state, more than 2.5 million people are fully vaccinated in Connecticut. And while we've come a long way, hospitalizations are slowly going up once again in the state. Most of those cases, we're told, are among people who are unvaccinated. About 800,000 people here have died as a result in the United States. Meanwhile, health officials continue keeping a close eye on the Omicron variant. A new study found that a 2-dose Pfizer vaccination provided 33% protection against infection and 70% protection against hospitalization. Scientists say the Omicron variant appears to cause less severe disease than previous variants. Today, Hartford HealthCare doctors reflected on the progress Connecticut has made in the fight against COVID.
We have supplies, we have knowledge, we have resources, we have new technologies, we have new drugs and therapies. There's so much to be hopeful about at this time here as folks actually enjoy the holiday season. My only request would be to stay safe. As Dr. Cumberland mentioned, mask, social distancing in appropriate locations.
And doctors continue urging people to get their booster shots. Roughly 60% of Americans are vaccinated against COVID-19. Also new today, Pfizer says its experimental COVID-19 pill cuts the risk of hospitalization or death by 89%. Live in the newsroom, Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.